Here's a salad we got, rustic chicken salad from Porto's.
From Porto's.
What?
Oh, so thick.
Akin na yung mga ano ito, mga itatapon.
What's that?
Akin na.
Dressing.
London lang.
Yay.
It's got feta cheese in it, avocados. Want some? We're at the beach right now. Look.
Yeah.
Redondo Beach.
Redondo Beach. Want some salad? Luke? You want salad?
No.
Try this one.
No. No, Grandma.
Oh, good.
What's it have? Mommy? What's it have? Yeah. I don't like on my. What do you want? Did you give
Bacon.
me a kiss? He said, Daddy. What's inside here?
Meat.
Nope.
Oh man, I'm so hungry. We're here in LA. Got some Portos. Got some Junbi. There's like matcha, green tea. And it's so hot. So we're chilling over here in Redondo where it's only 70.
But it's still hot for us.
Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. It's good.
Good stuff.
What's this?
Pastries.
Take a look at these. These are Portos. Is this a strudel? The guava cheese strudel? Guava cheese strudel from Porto's. Mmm. Oh man. It's so flaky. And it's got like guava jam in it. So good. Very good. What's this one called?
Cheese roll.
It's just a cheese roll, right?
Mm-hmm.
So nice to just like
Do you want more
eat
salad?
by the beach. No, fun. Mmm. If you're ever in the LA area, there's some Portos. Portos. Cuban bakery and like breakfast lunch spot. Coffee. Cheese roll. Pretty darn good.
But you gotta eat it fresh. Next day won't be good.
Mm. Oh. Got the big box, baby.
You know you can order online.
Really?
They'll ship it to you. But you have to pick it
Is
yourself.
this the meat pie?
Uh-huh.
What was this one?
Oh,
The potato roll that has chilies, right?
pepper.
Potato roll or potato ball. But this one's, I think, has chilies in it.
Cheese and chili. Or pepper or something.
Wow.
It's okay.
Hmm.
Very cheesy.
Tastes like a jalapeno popper.
Yeah? I'm done. That's too much. Get all the good stuff.
Pretty good. You want some chicken empanada?
Maybe a bite.
Chicken empanada. Mmm.
That's good.
Mm. Pretty good. It's like marinated chicken.
Moist.
Hmm?
It's moist.
Mm-hmm.
I'm done.
What?
I'm done.
I don't like this part of the empanada
You
where
do
there's
not?
no filling.
Oh.
I don't. Getting thirsty. Got me some Junbi. This is aloe vera. Oh.
You want napkin?
Mmm.
How's it?
It's not that sweet.
I think I got no more sweet. How did it taste?
Okay. You could taste the matcha for sure. It's kind of watery.
I like them.
No?
I'm awful aloe. You know I love aloe.
But that one wasn't good. There's no taste to it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is what Porto's is known for. Porto's is known for their potato balls.
Are you finished?
Where's
No.
Grandma?
Are you finished?
No. Where's Grandma?
It's got meat in there.
Yeah.
Kasi nagbaba pa kami, nag-akit pa kami.
How do you take
Nakaresroom kami
the
pareho. Hindi pa ka tapos?
No.
Tsaka ang crab doon. It's my so many crabs.
Yeah, just some money grabs.
Yeah? This is the meat pie. Hmm?
What is it? Is it like the same thing as the potato pie?
I think so.
I mean the potato ball.
He just crab.
I think the potato ball is the best.
Daddy,
What?
I saw the crab. Grandma showed me.
Oh yeah? They said to mix it like this.
It's a lot of people.
I'm going to the beach. Excuse me. Excuse me.
That was pretty good. Now we're gonna walk around the beach. Redondo.